Hello Jim, Tech Buzz. The video, we have another case in for the iPhone 13 Pro, and this time we have got a new case from Atom Studios, who have launched a new range of products which are sustainable and environmentally friendly. So this is split silicone, ink blue aluminium, ink blue silicone, premium eco materials, reassuringly protective, Magsafe compatible, and it comes in a nice presentation as you can see. And you've got some more information here on the back. You can pause and read if you want. So it's been tested for real life drops and bumps, Magsafe charging compatible with built-in magnets, slim design keeps bulky pockets to a minimum, lined with microfiber for an extra device protection, and sustainably conscious sand-based silicone and recycled aluminium chosen for their premium quality and durability. So that's what it comes out here, a nice slider pack like so, and I like this colour. And that's all you get in the box, which is enough. It's just a case, you just stick it on. But this case really is nice. As you can see, it's two-tone. You've got the branding up on top there. And if you look inside, you can see the quality in there as well, and the Magsafe ring. And you can see Atom Studios embossed in there too. So let's pop the case on, which nearly matches my phone. And that's it. So you can see there that you've got there's a slight lip on the top. I have a screen protector on this, remember, so it's going to be higher than normal, and there is still a lip. So you can place it down on its face, and it's actually good because it stops it moving as well. And up here in the camera area, you can see as well as you're protected. Very nice. Just try and get a better zoom on that there, better focus. And looks really well. So you can see that slightly raised hump on the sides, and you've got your keys there on the side as well, which again are slightly raised, and same over here, slightly raised as well. Really nice feel to the case, super grip on it as well, which is good, so you'll be safe holding it in your hands. It's nice to get a case that has grip, and it's grip all the way around the sides now, not just the back, but it has this smooth part up on top here, as you can see. So if you're looking at it from a distance there, that's what it's going to look like. Really nice clean case, it looks well, and it's got that two-tone effect. So this bottom half has got a real grip on it. This half is a bit slippy, but this is where you're going to be holding the device anyway. So on to the bottom then, you can see the ports are all cleared up there too, no problem with your cable, it's not thick here. Some cases can be problematic depending on what cable you have. It won't reach all the way in, won't charge the device, but it's always something to keep an eye on. But in this instance here, it's fine, and if you look from the front there, you can see that it's all grand as well. So overall, it's a really nice case. So first of all, we better check the buttons, and they are fine there. So we're going to check the volumes and all that, and then of course Magsafe. I'm going to pop it on, and yeah, you can hear the charger there. So we'll do it again. And it's charging, and you can see that it's sticking to it, so that's working fine. So that's about it. Works really well, and it's a nice looking case too, and does a good job. And you can see that this is a portable Magsafe power bank that we have, which is really cool, and it's working every time it hits it there. So that's all you need to know, that it does work on Magsafe, and I've tested it earlier on it's one of the ones I have it dotted around the house as well. This is just one I use for demos, which is really handy to have. So that's it. Check it out. Really nice case. I really like this case. Really nice job. Really clean. Does a great job and protects your phone. And that's it there. So that's Atom Studios iPhone 13 split silicone case. Check it out, and also check out our other products as well. We've got a new range of products in, all eco-friendly, available at 3 stores, and they'll be coming to Ireland as well, as we've been told by the company. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more on techbuzzstory.com, where we go hands-on, raw stuff, and you can get a better context and feel for what we're talking about rather than stock images. See you soon in the next video, and thanks for watching.